practical exposure that I got from the program is more than the practical exposure that I have gotten in 5 years of my college. I really wonder at times whether the mentors of the program, sees the clock or not, because they have been available to me at most all the times. If you are someone who has a passion for learning new technologies as well as the patience to learn it, then program is the place for you.
He was a 2019 graduate, a non engineer who has now bagged a dream offer from Yellow Messenger, which is a Microsoft backed AI firm. I'm talking about the career path of one of our prograds, Amudan. Amudan, in his recent webcast with Prograd, told us a lot about his inspiring journey of becoming a developer. Let's hear it from him.
My name is Samudan. So I have completed my Master of Science, which is an integrated course in Coimbatore. That is a funny and interesting question. So when we are in a pre-final year, our college asked us to choose a firm for placement training. At that point of time, none cared much, and our college themselves have chosen FacePrep for their placement training program. And believe me or not, at that point of time, none of my not many of my classmates were strong in aptitude or such. But those 7 days of training given by FacePrep was very much helpful and insightful. So when we graduated from pre-final year to the final year, myself and my roommate, we wanted to have a revision at those topics, uh, which we had in the 7 days FacePrep program, placement training program. So we just googled FacePrep's Coimbatore office. We gone just straightly to the FacePrep office in Coimbatore. So at this point of time, we found that there was FacePrep is yet to launch student program, and one of the colleagues, one of the employees who was working in the FacePrep office over there, have told us about this new venture of Face, which is called the program. Because of the useful and impressive training which we have received from FacePrep, I have no doubt on joining program. It was a completely new experience for me. So, like many of you may, like some of you may be aware of it, that this course is not just limited to some videos, like some people say in the like the YouTube videos. It is not like there is going to be there's going to be only videos in which they would tell you how to do it and you are supposed to be doing it. It's a combination of various stuff. I was unable to cope up at the beginning. I was started having so much self doubt. At this point of time, I started messaging Venkatesh sir, who's a technical director in the Prograd or FacePrep, I guess. Prograd is actually a subsidiary of FacePrep, I guess.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
Venkatesh sir, so I just started messaging like, sir, I think I have done a great mistake over here, because some of my batchmates, they are actually moving pretty much easily towards the next exercise, whereas I am struggling very much because I have doubts in each and every stuff. So I want to learn each and every stuff. I was having so much doubts, sir. It's not like one time or many times, two times. Many number of times I would be feeling very much depression on myself because I was not able to pace up like my batchmates. So I would just message Venkatesh sir saying like, sir, I don't think I'm up for it. Maybe I'm not supposed to be a developer or something like that. For which Venkatesh sir would be constantly encouraging me by saying like, Amudan, see, the thing is, it's not like when someone says, it's not like that. It's gonna get better. You don't have to worry. This relax is common, but when you are in a particular distress, and when someone have told you this, it is a different scenario. When I'm feeling sadder, and when I was feeling low on myself, those encouraging words was the only thing which kept me pass through from from day to day, and week 1 to week 2 and week 3. So from in the program, like let me just tell you that there is a thing called pro show, in which you develop some projects in the course. So you would showcase the project. You just explain the project. You talk about the project to external person who's actually from a technical field, like a experienced developer, something like that. So I was having this. So for the first week, it was very much harder, and the second week you would expect like it become easier because of the first week, but first week seemed to be better when I came to second week. So, but believe me or not, once I came to week 3, week 3 and 4, I think week 3 and week 4, I guess. So from week 3, it didn't feel like that much tougher. It's the toughing, feeling tougher seems to reduce only a little bit. Why I'm saying a little bit? Because each and every day you won't learn the same thing twice. You would learn, for example, in day learning about looping, in day two you're learning about if statements. So uh, every day is a new it's going to be was a new experience for me. So
Mhm.
it was it was not tougher like I was feeling in the first day, but it was still tougher to me. But when I have reached week 4, in which I did a second pro show this time on a Java project. This point of time, whatever which was feeling hard for me on the first 4 weeks, it started feeling easier to me. So so each and some of the doubts I have, or some of the bugs which I have, I just focused on clearing it. I never focused on understanding it. But when I from the moment I joined the program, everything like it was like a reciprocal. So the first point is like mentors here, mentors, and not only just mentors, people in the program. Every person in the program encouraged me to ask out. Not only they just encouraged me, they have spent more time than even I could have spent in their place. For example, to just giving you an example, on my first day for joining the program, we have to do a pre-assessment test, a pre-assessment work. So for doing the pre-assessment work, I was trying it. It was developing a static website using HTML and CSS. So I was just developing it, but I wasn't able to, particularly create a button over it. So at this point of time, I was trying for a while, but since like I told you, my knowledge is limited to the knowledge which I've used in my college labs and the internship. I was not able to complete it off. So at the point of time, I was able to remember it because it made me an impact on a particular day. So the time was actually 8:30 p.m. So I in the progress channel, I have asked my mentor like, ma'am, I have this doubt. So my mentor is actually Raghavi Venkatesh, ma'am. So I have asked her like, ma'am, I have a doubt. This is Amudan. So I have a doubt in the pre-assessment task. So I just can't able to figure it out exactly how to create how to give the particular CSS for this button. I can't able to achieve the output for this particular button, man. So for which she actually connected with me, and the time is already 8:30 p.m. So she connected with me around 8:40 p.m. After I said like in the next couple of minutes she connected with me. So from 8:30 p.m. like once I was able to do it. I was asking some few more questions just because since she connected with me, so I was curious. I started asking questions like, "Oh, ma'am, how to do that? Like this is how the way is supposed to be, or is it a better way to do this, etc." The thing, the most interesting thing, and the most one of the day most one of the thing that impacted me on the day is when when all my doubts are cleared from 8:30 p.m. I am asking doubts to the Raghavi ma'am. So when all my doubts were clear, it was actually 10:30 p.m. Even my mom in my house was saying, why are you troubling your mentor even before the first day itself?" I also asked the same question to the Raghavi ma'am. So for which she replied like, here as a student, we encourage our progress to ask as much doubt as possible. And as a mentor, we would be clearing as much doubts as possible. Similarly, it was not just like answering a doubt; it was more like understanding my doubts. I really wonder at times whether the mentors at the program, sees the clock or not, because they have been available to me at most all the times. Various sort of labs available in the program. Like I told you, you would be going through theoretical concepts, and after it, you would have labs to practice. After the labs, you have projects to practice. That's how this course pursue from one stage to next stage. So there are a number of labs. Obviously, every one of those labs, it's not just you go there and you just solve a story. I mean, you just solve the bug. You would have a story. There would be a question on saying you have to find a bug in this code. So they won't just say there won't be a lab in which they would just say just to create a table, just to drop a table. They would have a scenario. They would explain you in what type of scenario these questions may arise. That's how they have made the programming a fun programming, not just not just to code. It is a fun code. Let's say. like I told you, just imagine for a moment in my position, being a 2019 batch passout after going with choosing them, going to and fro between technical, non-technical, and after taking up the course and after feeling very much hard at the beginning, after learning the technologies and after going through all this, finally, when you completed the lessons in the lessons as well as labs or projects in the final week, it is the point of time you would be ready. You would be we would be created a channel called there would be a channel called Progress Jobs in which once the completion of the lesson, so we would be added to it by the HR ma'am here, Anjali ma'am. So the I have to quote here is the thing is like people have different sort of views over here. For me, I don't want to say the exact my college name. But the thing is like in my college, I have studied in Arts and Science College. In my college, there was only three opportunities. I mean, there were only three placements for the whole period of 5 years. I had only three opportunities, and among the three opportunities, only two companies. Among only the two companies have took some people, some of my classmates. The third company they didn't even take a single person. I'm talking now currently about the college placements. When I have joined the Progress Jobs thing, is like monthly, at least I would there would be a three placement opportunities. I'm saying minimum. There'll be three placement opportunities. Like I told you, for a guy who's a 2019 batch passout, who has studied a 5 years course, who have gotten only two placements in his entire 5 years course in the college time, just imagine how would I be feeling in this program job channel where three jobs at minimum is coming per each month. There I would just say like for one thing, like I'm a person who hates when someone just give advice like you will compete or something like that. So rather than giving a advice or something like that, I would rather give a suggestion. The suggestion for me to the people out there is never compare yourself with one another. Like for example, don't compare. Like you may be strong in one perspective and the another person who may be studying along with you in the program, maybe maybe much stronger than you, or maybe he may have a different set of skills. Whereas you have a different set of skills. Never ever compare yourself with another. And your graduation year and graduation degree, most of the time doesn't matter. What matters is the knowledge you have. So skill sets which you have. So the question is like, so I want to get myself. So I'm yet to receive a job opportunity. So what I can able to say. So even while in this program course, you have to focus on more on why, like how Venkateswara advised me, how, why, when. You should able to ask these questions to each and every piece of your code, and you should able to know the answer of it, so that if you are the only person you are going to be competing is yourself. You just have to be a better version than yourself when compared with yesterday. That would be all. You would have every one of us who are seeing this would be having a wonderful career. I'm sure of it. For some people it's going to take a very less amount of time. For some people it's going to take some more time. But if you want to get it in as soon as possible, then you have to put up all the efforts. You just have to see. You just keep on putting up of effort. So every opportunity you came in, you just keep on trying your best. So at one point of time, the effort which you have put in for another company would help you in cracking the interview for another company, like for this current company. Okay, for myself also, it's not just because I have developed this chatbot. They have asked me a question. So if you are given to a task to study a new thing, how versatile you would be, how easily you can able to adapt this language. I was able to answer this question by saying like, I have tried PHP when I was in the program. So where did I had the opportunity to learn PHP? Is like when I was when I was giving my best for another opportunity. At that point of time, that company asked our program to develop a PHP simple project. So at the point of time, and I suggested every one of us to give a try at it. Only because of what I have tried at the point of time, I was able to say like, ma'am, I was able to learn the PHP in a short period of time. So from that, I have a project in my GitHub. You can able to see it. So from that, I can able to say I can able to adapt, ma'am. So that's how you're going to be saying. You're not. You shouldn't be saying like, I can do that, ma'am, I can do that. You should have a proof. Then what proof? Your project speaks for you. So you should have a project. And when do you have more projects? It's when you give your when you keep on giving your best in all opportunities that you'll be getting it. So that would be my suggestion to you. You are someone who has a passion for learning new technologies as well as the patience to learn it, then Prograd is the place for you. If you have the determination and the patience, then you are a Prograd.
If you've come this far, then I think you too want to script similar success stories. To do that, Prograd is probably the best avenue available out there. Do check us out using the link in the description. Also, like, share, and subscribe to Prograd.